What's up, guys? Coach Carl bringing you your workout of the day for TMMK Fitness. I'm just going to run through this real quick, a quick tutorial. This isn't going to be the whole workout, so we're just going to kind of run through what you're doing today. We also have handouts you can get out up at the staff area front desk if you want to knock that out, so be sure to ask for those. And of course, if you have any questions, grab a staff member. We'll be happy to help you out and show you anything. So let's run through this real quick though. Our first circuit is 4 rounds. It's going to have 20 seconds of work with 10 seconds of rest, so you will need a timer today. First off, we're going to start with jumping jacks. So nice and simple there. If you need to, you can always do the option here. Second, we have squats. So feet screwed into the ground, keeping that chest nice and tall, bringing the hips down. Nice, tall, core, tight squat. Third, we've got high knees. Right here, bring those knees up. You can also slow that down, come right up to the chest. Then we've got lunges. Any variation that you would like to do. So if you would prefer to do reverse lunges, if you would like to do some lateral lunges as well, coming out to the side, hitting those, whatever kind of lunge you want to do. Then we've got sprints. So if you're joining us here at TMMK Fitness, you're going to be over in the gym. You want to run some sprints, doing that there. You can also just run in place if you're joining us from home, getting that workout of the day. Lateral shuffle. Lateral shuffle is just going to be back and forth here. Just a little lateral shuffle. Again, if you're out in the gym, you can knock those out in there, back and forth. All right, so those are our exercises: jumping jacks, squats, high knees, lunges, sprints, and a lateral shuffle. So you've got 6 total. You're doing each 20 seconds. You have 10 seconds of rest, and then you're moving to the next exercise, going through that 4 times continuously. All right? So that's our first one we're knocking out. Once we're done with that, we're going to be moving into what's called a 5-minute Imam. So every minute on the minute, you're going to be doing 3 exercises. Your 3 exercises are 8 push-ups. So just right here or on the knees. So you're going to start your timer. You'll start doing 8 push-ups. Then you're going to come down. You're going to do 6 lat pull-downs. You'll come up and you'll do 4 shoulder taps. Once you're done, however much time you have left in the minute, you get to rest. That's how an Imam works. So it'll be 5 minutes, every minute on the minute, starting with that first one, 8 push-ups, 6 lat pulls, 4 shoulder taps. Get the rest of the minute to rest. All right, then we move on to a 5-minute AMRAP. That's as many rounds as possible. You have 3 exercises in this one as well. What you're doing: 5 sit-ups or crunches. You can always do crunches. So 5 reps there, 5 leg lifts, coming to a seated position, 10 Russian twists right here, turning those shoulders side to side. All right, so we're going to put 5 minutes on the clock, 5-minute AMRAP. You're trying to get through as many rounds of that as you can. So you're doing 5 sit-ups, 5 leg lifts, 10 Russian twists. As soon as you're ready, 5 sit-ups, 5 leg lifts, 10 Russian twists. Trying to do that as quick as you can, get as many rounds as you can in that 5-minute period. All right, once we've got that knocked out, we're doing 3 rounds of the next 3 exercises. Those 3 exercises are Spider-Mans, mountain climbers, and then a plank. You can do a high or a low plank, so if you want to stay here and just hold that high plank, that's fine. Just making sure to keep that core tight, spine and pelvis in a nice neutral position. So with that, we're doing 3 rounds. 30 seconds of your Spider-Mans, straight into 30 seconds of your mountain climbers, straight into 30 seconds of a plank. And then you get to rest for 30 seconds, go back to the Spider-Mans, and back through for a total of 3 rounds. So that's our workout for today, our workout of the day. If you have any questions, ask a staff member, and we'll be happy to help you out. Have a good one. Hope you enjoy it.